Hello, friends. Welcome to English Planet. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps you and many others learn English with confidence. Now, sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and relax. Let's begin. Part 1. Small to long sentences. Hobbies. Listen carefully. I have a hobby. Repeat with me. I have a hobby. Good. Now listen to the longer sentence. I have a hobby that I enjoy in my free time. Repeat with me slowly. I have a hobby that I enjoy in my free time. Excellent. Listen carefully. I like reading. Repeat with me. I like reading. Now listen to the longer sentence. I like reading books because it helps me relax and learn new things. Repeat with me slowly. I like reading books because it helps me relax and learn new things. Very nice. Part 2. Same idea, different ways. Listen carefully. My hobby is reading books. Repeat with me. My hobby is reading books. Good. Listen again. Reading books is my favorite activity. Repeat with me. Reading books is my favorite activity. Very good. Listen carefully. I enjoy reading in my free time. Repeat with me. I enjoy reading in my free time. Excellent. Part 3. New words and meanings. Listen carefully. Hobby. A hobby is something you enjoy doing in your free time. Interest. An interest is something you like and want to know more about. Passion. A passion is a strong love for an activity or idea. Now, listen to the sentence. My hobby is playing football. Repeat with me. My hobby is playing football. Good. Listen again. My passion is learning new skills. Repeat with me. My passion is learning new skills. Very good. Part 4. Small to long sentences. Daily activities. Listen carefully. I work in an office. Repeat with me. I work in an office. Good. Now listen to the longer sentence. I work in an office where I handle daily tasks and projects. Repeat with me slowly. I work in an office where I handle daily tasks and projects. Excellent. Listen carefully. I like my job. Repeat with me. I like my job. Now listen to the longer sentence. I like my job because it helps me grow professionally. Repeat with me slowly. I like my job because it helps me grow professionally. Very nice. Part 5. Useful words and meanings. Listen carefully. Relax. Relax means to feel calm and comfortable. Improve. Improve means to become better. Focus. Focus means to give full attention to something. Listen carefully. I relax by listening to music. Repeat with me. I relax by listening to music. Good. Listen again. I want to improve my English speaking skills. Repeat with me. I want to improve my English speaking skills. Excellent. Part 6. Questions and answers practice. Listen to the question. What is your hobby? Listen to my answer. My hobby is reading books and learning new things. Repeat with me. My hobby is reading books and learning new things. Now, pause the video and say your own answer out loud. Good job. Listen to the next question. Why do you like this hobby? Listen carefully. I like this hobby because it helps me relax and improve myself. Repeat with me. I like this hobby because it helps me relax and improve myself. Now, say your own answer. Excellent. Listen to the next question. How much time do you spend on your hobby? Listen carefully. I spend some time on my hobby every day after work. Repeat with me slowly. I spend some time on my hobby every day after work. Very good. Part 7. Final practice. Listen carefully. I have a hobby that I enjoy in my free time. Repeat with me. I have a hobby that I enjoy in my free time. Listen again. My passion is learning new skills and improving myself. Repeat with me. My passion is learning new skills and improving myself. Listen carefully. I like my job and I try to do my best every day. Repeat with me. I like my job and I try to do my best every day. Wonderful work today. Remember, the key to fluency is listening, repeating, and practicing daily. Practice this lesson again tomorrow. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. I'll see you in the next lesson.